Okay, this is a hard video to make, but I want to make it. It's currently 4 a.m. in the morning, and the reason why I want to make this video is because I'm genuinely concerned. What I'm concerned about is basically there are 3 tweets that I want to talk about. One of them is, I would say one of the most important ones, is this one. It's from the former CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. When we're looking at his tweet, he currently runs a very big company, and under this company there are multiple other companies, and he has around 10,000 employees. When we're looking at what he's just posted is that he fired 4,000 of his employees just in one tweet. Okay, and the reason for this is because he found a better way to actually run his company, and this is through, of course, AI. Now, what happened after he posted this? The stock of the company went up over 24% right after he sent this tweet. Because of course, company has less costs, who cares? Now, there are 2 things that I want to go through in this video. Because I think that for the majority of the people, you need to take this way more serious than you think. Because there are 2 big factors. We're going to discuss one, a personal one, that might be a very important one for you watching. 2, when we're looking at the markets and the opportunities. Because I think that when we're looking at this, we can either see it as, okay, this is going to destroy the world, or we see the opportunities. At the end of the day, it's what life gives you and how you play your cards. And that is what we need to do well. By the way, if you're new to the channel, you don't know me yet, my name is Camille van Merienboer, also go by the name of Trading Wizard. And on this channel, I share the reality of day trading instead of all of the nonsense you see online. I've been in the space for quite some time. I made more than 950x on a single investment. And there are multiple 100x investments that I have on my name because I understand certain shifts pretty well. And this might be one of the shifts that I'm talking about. Now, one of the first things that I want to mention is what I want you to understand. 4,000 job layoffs is not something small. I've been talking since 2022 on my Instagram about the threat of AI. I'm a very big fan of AI, but if I had a button now to delete it from the world, I would did it. Okay, I would press on the button multiple times because I do think that it can cause a lot of harm. And one of the things is what we've seen now. Every single day now is an update from Claude where they basically go through every single sector. So when I'm looking at the majority of photography, it's already absolutely ruined. I have a lot of friends of mine who are in photography who literally said, hey, I literally don't have a job anymore. Can you show me how this trading thing works? When I'm looking at the majority of the white collar jobs, so all of the people who were considered smart back in the days in your classroom, the majority of them just became analysts and people who work behind a keyboard, while the majority of them, like these 4,000, got a layoff now as well. What we see right here is one thing. So we have the people who got their job laid off, but then we have the other thing that we need to pay attention to. And this is something I've been warning a lot of people about. And this is those people, they're not just randomly sent off because you always get some compensation for this. Now, giving a lot of people compensation, the majority of the time has a certain result. When we're looking back at when the very big flu was here, what happened is everyone got stimulus checks. And after those stimulus checks, people were inside, people couldn't do anything. So what were they going to do with these stimulus checks? They were going to use it on the markets. Why? Because they were inside. Now, what will happen is the majority of the people who their skill got taken away from them by AI, they are now in their house. Okay? Logically, what do you want to do? Look for a new job. The only problem is you got fired for a reason. You got fired because you were easily replaceable. And I'm talking about a company that had, again, pretty smart people who thought, hey, I have a safe job for the upcoming 10 years. No. Those people now are the victim of, hey, you are not useful anymore. Your brain was very useful, but now we have this AI who has way better processing power. We don't have to pay for his vacation days. It can run 24/7 and we don't have to bargain with it. So it's gone. But what we are going to give you is we're going to give you 20 weeks plus an additional week of your payment. So we have a lot of people now sitting inside with a skill that is already absolutely useless. So what will happen is those people will have one thing to do. They are going to play with the money to make sure that they still have a safe life for the upcoming years, because 20 weeks at the end of the day is not enough to actually survive. So with this money now, they want to make sure, okay, how are we going to put ourselves in a safe position? If this happens, then of course a lot of money could potentially enter the market, because what the majority of the time happens, and what we've seen with stimulus checks, is that people are just going to bet it simply on the markets. Now this is where the majority of the problems come. People just randomly enter the market thinking, hey, I was smart in this one thing, so I'm smart in everything. Well, I can tell you one thing, day trading is not as easy as it seems and what people portray to you online. Day trading is one of the hardest jobs online, and that is why it's one of the highest paying skills in the world. If you are now one of those people who got this compensation and you're just going to randomly throw your money at the markets, you most probably are going to lose everything. One of the key things that I want to tell you is, first of all, I'm very sorry for you, because of course you most probably thought that you had a very stable job. Well, turned out, hey, the world is going to be different. Now you have the decision to say, okay, I'm going to take this seriously because I have to. The trading sector and the investing sector is one of the only sectors that is actually going to survive until the last point in this crazy shift in productivity. Why? Because we are basically betting on the beast. We are betting on the companies that are going to work with this and that are going to use the AI in the best potential with, of course, potential stock returns. We are betting on this entire shift, okay? So when you're looking at starting investing, very good thing to do. But you only can do this if you are ready to say, hey, I'm going to treat this like my new job. Don't treat this like some lottery ticket. It is not as easy as people portray to you online. It takes time, effort, and hard work. I literally have below a link that says free school, where I have an entire beginner's course, okay, about how technical analysis works, how you can do it yourself. And after that, I have a full course of what the fundamental base is of how I approach the market. Again, just go for it. It's completely free. There's no crazy sign-ups, there's no hidden affiliate links. No, it's out there for free. The only thing that I'm looking for is smart people online who I can potentially add towards my team. That's why it's out there for free, okay? Now we jump to number 2. We have number 1, this message. Then we have number 2, right here. And that is, of course, this crazy stock return. Now, Jack is one of the big CEOs that for a lot of entrepreneurs is like this idol. So a lot of people see Jack as an idol. Now, what will happen is they see, hey, he makes this move. We've been thinking about this for quite some long time, but we were afraid that potentially the market didn't receive it well. But now they see that their idol did it. So what could potentially happen is that people are saying, hey, we are going to do the same thing because he did it. So this could be the start of a tsunami of layoffs. When we're looking at layoffs, 2025 was already a record year. Okay, when you're looking at Amazon, when you're looking at Salesforce, the majority of the big corporations are already doing the exact same thing. The only difference is that Jack just did it very publicly. Now again, this is the result of the stock. What I want you to understand is that a lot of companies, they want these kind of returns as well. So what are they going to do? They're going to try to do the exact same framework, because this is what they try to do in the markets. It's manipulating, okay? So again, when you're looking at this, you can either cry and run away from it, or we are seeing the opportunities. And you need to see what are the sectors that potentially can make such a move, okay? Because you need to understand when you're looking at the markets, hey, which companies hired super fast for tasks that can be easily done with AI. Yes, because the majority of the companies that were built last couple of years have this. Now, it's funny that when I say this, you literally have this trending thing on Twitter where it says Anthropic CEO warns for AI job tsunami in the horizon. Okay, this was one day before Jack posted his tweet. Now we have Block cuts 4,000 jobs for the AI shift, sales surge with 24%, and then we have homeowner search can sell house at record levels. Now this brings me to the last point, and this is where I'm genuinely concerned. The majority of the people who are currently in college face this dilemma now. You are in college, you took on a lot of debt to sustain yourself in college, but when we're looking at the US job openings since 2022, we've seen a massive decline. No one, or at least the majority of the people, are not looking anymore to hire. And that even worse, the people who thought that they had a very stable job, so who took on mortgages, now have the exact same problem. They get sent off. What will bring a lot of people now at home, can't pay off their mortgage. And besides this, we have now the problem where the government needs to sustain a lot of people. Okay? Again, in moments like these, you can sit in a corner and cry, or you can see all of the opportunities. You make the decision from here. If you are in college, just ask yourself, how sustainable is what I'm doing right now? And with the developments of AI, I have a very simple saying: every single day counts as a week. And I'm not lying. Every single day counts as a week. What I mean with this is that back in the days, all of the developments of the world were pretty slow, and you could just wake up and just think about your bills and your little house and your family and this and this and this. Right now, every single day, we are making steps in technology that back in the days would cost a week. So if you're sitting on your ass now and doing absolutely nothing, don't be shocked if you are the next one to be laid off as well. Okay? Now for all of the white collar jobs who back in the days were bullying the people with blue collar jobs, so for example the plumbers and the people who were working physically with their hands, it's time to pay some respect to them, because for the majority of the people, unfortunately, they are the ones who still have a job. When I'm looking at myself, I'm a big investor in robotics, okay? I can tell you one thing, we are not close yet for the blue collar jobs to be pushed away. So it's just the white collar jobs that at the moment are at risk. Blue collar jobs, you have some time, but one day this guy will come for you as well, okay? Guys, if you like the reality of day trading, don't forget to drop a follow, drop a subscribe. Again, make sure that if you want to make a change, you are going to the free school below. And I want to thank you all for watching, and I see you all in the next one. Ciao, ciao.